Install the flip tray spacer to the organizer by locating the holes and securing the spacer using the screws provided. The rounded end of the spacer should be closest to the cable restraint area. Install the flip tray tower onto the spacer by sliding it into the slots on the spacer. The tower is fully engaged when the top is flush with the flat edge of the spacer. Install the flip tray onto the tower by sliding the lock towards the top of the tray. Squeeze the flip tray legs together and install into the tower position closest to the organizer for thin trays or second position for deep trays. To rotate the flip trays down, push the slide lock towards the tray and flip the trays down. The flip trays can be locked into position by pushing the slide lock back towards the spacer once down. Route buffer tubes to the flip tray and mark where to open the buffer tube. Expose bare fibers following your standard company practices. Secure buffer tubes to the flip trays using felt and tie wraps. Route bare fibers in the flip tray and reinstall the tray cover. Push the slide lock towards the tray and flip the trays up before locking them into their stored position. Secure the flip trays to the organizer using the hold-down strap.